So this is the disconnect, and it's 1 minute of hand washing. Again, mom can leave her mask down except for the essential steps.
You're gonna replace a new cup and then do the vital signs, and before that you need to get the vital signs before doing the disconnection. So I got the BP 162. Okay, then the lower number is 70. Okay, and then glucose. The glucose is 113, so I'm gonna move up arrow, top arrow, 113. Okay, then press OK if you get the number, the right number. And then this one is remain at 1 to 7, going down because it's sending now the information. Okay, so those are all the what happened going on last night. And then she gained 52 minutes. Okay, I press next, close all the plans. Close all the plans. Press next.